We're here at the pond and we have ducks. So let's get to fishing. A worm and my line's getting pulled, so I hope there's a fish on. Hope it's not bluegill because that was nice. Oh yes, it's a nice one. First bass of the day, guys. It's a nice bass too. Look at that. I think it swallowed it though, so we're gonna be more careful in releasing it. Yeah, nice bass. Now we gotta unhook it and yeah. I still have the worm in there. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this time I don't have my other camera, so the audio might be a little fuzzy. Sorry for that. Okay, let me close. Okay, so right here. Okay, let's go a little bit deeper. I didn't hook him that bad. Never mind. Yeah, so we'll get him unhooked and release. Okay, so we're gonna release the bass now. And it's gone. Park today. Yeah, I got 2 strikes. One of them I got the fish. The second one I wasn't able to film, but I saw it eat it, but then I actually felt a pull for it too, but it just got off. So didn't have much luck. The wind is going crazy. This is already called like dying down, but it's going so crazy, and it was somewhat snowing, so I'm probably gonna be heading back now. So we'll see you soon on Scale Productions.